ensuring a thorough evaluation of the arguments presented. Joining him is the insightful Professor Audrija Guho, an assistant professor in the Basic Science and Humanities Department. Professor Guho's expertise adds depth and diversity to our judging panel, promising a comprehensive assessment of the debaters' performances. We are honored to have such esteemed individual as our guides. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now it's the time to initiate our debate. Both the teams, are you ready? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, my name is Kabir Singh. I am from IT first year. The motion for today is, in today's world, it is important to emphasize on fitness. I am going to speak for the motion. It is very necessary for a person to be fit in their daily life, because if the person is not fit, they will not be able to do their daily job, such as going to schools, colleges, etc. etc. There are many fitness influencers such as Ankit Payanpuria and Sam Shule who influence the world to stay fit. He will not be able to catch up things such as if a lecture is going on inside a class, he'll stay dull-minded. Person's life is very necessary. There is a subject added inside in the curriculum.
Thank you, Kabir. Please take your seat. Dear contestants, you need to keep in mind that if you take extra time, there will be negative marks for that. Speak against the motion.
Speaker who was speaking in the fall, Kabir Singh was speaking about the fitness gurus, the influencers. Just I would like to say, due to those influencers, now the youngsters who are just passing their 10th, 12th, they are going to join the gyms, like gym, right? That is the hype in today's world, in the today's youngsters. Without any further guidance, they start gymming. And for guidance, when they are going to the trainers, they charge a lot. Their gyms are very high priced. So they are not going to a good gym, they are just going to clubs gym, they are just going to their nearby.
My worthy opponents and my lovely allies. My voice may crack because just 2 days prior I was screaming my lungs at a concert. Now, you might think that that's a very irrelevant topic to bring up in a debate. But that made me think while in the concert, these people who are screaming, who are singing, who are dancing, who are running on the whole stage, do you think these people, if they were not fit, would they be able to do this for hours on end? I think the answer is very clear. Now, my worthy opponent, Mr. Vicky, he made a very good point that in today's generation, but before that,
Today, let's delve deeper into the motion, claiming that it is important to emphasize fitness in today's world. Well, there is saying, it is simpler to shape fitness.
Judges, honored judges, respected faculty members, and dear audience and dear opponents. I, Nisha Prasad, from Computer Science and Engineering Department, BBIT, present here to proceed with the motion of debate in today's world.
But I am against it. And why I am against it? We can simply accept the fact that as a student and as an employee also, we all are getting more and more sitting hours. We are getting so physical.
With maximum stress. This is called fitness. We can say that fitness is not only about its physical aspects, it's also about its mental and emotional aspects. We have to think about it emotional.
In today's world, it is important to improvise, to emphasize on fitness. And I am going to talk about the thing which is very important and everyone is neglecting it, about people's priority. Everyone has their own priorities, and like that, and some examples are like cultural priorities, responsibilities are someone's priorities, and someone's work is priority. If we emphasize fitness too much, then everyone is going to follow the only path which will lead them to the which will lead them.
Of course, fitness is important to protect fitness for overall well-being. Well, in today's contemporary world, it has become very important to maintain with increased risk of certain types of diseases, such as cancer, numerous chronic diseases, and mental health issues. However, exercise has been shown to improve mental health issues and provides health benefits. I don't understand why today's youth don't understand the importance of fitness, that how important it is to make ourselves fit.
So if I ask you, what made you fit this reality in today's world, where fitness freaks believe that if you could exercise heavily, then it will make you fit? And yes, how can you forget the number of selfies that you take flexing your muscles to put up on social media? It is a part of fitness, as you.
Make is that our topic has been, the points that has been raised are very much of the sequence of the points. Look, the topic was emphasis on fitness, but the point I want
fitness, but they don't accept it as emphasis of fitness. I accept it. 10 minutes of fitness for working out on fitness is good, but not emphasis. Now you could think about that. Even if any people wait for a gym and don't think few months happen on a gym, wait on gym, and after
Can we have a huge round of applause for the winners? Winners in time. Thank you all, thank you participants. You may take your seats. A special thanks to our judges.
Now,
Please.
it is not over. So, we are having another category also, the best speaker. I was very close to best speaker goes to Nisha Prasad.
Congratulations, Nisha. Can we have a huge round of applause for Nisha Prasad? The best speaker in this decade. A special thanks to our judges, our organizers, and our students. Thank you all for being with us. Our next program is quiz competition, and I request Pradeep sir and Mili ma'am to come to the podium. Thank you, students. Please.